Sarah was drawing a picture in her room when her brother, Michael, walked in. "What are you drawing?" Michael asked. "It's a picture of our family," Sarah replied. "There's Mom, Dad, you, and me." "Cool. Can I help you color it?" Michael asked. "Sure," Sarah said, handing him some crayons. They colored the picture together. Sarah colored her mom with a yellow dress and long brown hair. She colored her dad with blue jeans and a green shirt. Then, she colored herself with a pink dress and pigtails. Michael colored himself with a red shirt and shorts. "Do you want to add Grandma too?" Sarah asked. "Yes," Michael said. They added Grandma to the picture. They gave her a purple dress and white hair. "Our family is the best," Sarah said, hugging the picture. "Yeah," Michael agreed. "And we have the best friends too." "We do," Sarah said, thinking of her friend Maria, who lived next door. "Maybe we can invite Maria to play with us after school tomorrow." "Great idea," Michael said. The next day, Sarah and Michael invited Maria to play after school. They played tag in the park and then went back to Sarah's house to draw more pictures together.
Hi, how was your weekend?
Hi, David. It was good, thanks. I spent the weekend with my family.
Oh, nice. Did you do anything fun with your brother and sister?
Actually, it was just me, my parents, and my grandma this time. We don't get to see her very often, so it was a special visit.
That sounds lovely. Did you do anything exciting with them?
We had a picnic in the park on Saturday, and on Sunday we helped my grandma bake her famous cookies.
Yum! My dad makes great cookies too. Maybe we can have a baking competition with our families sometime.
Haha, that's a great idea. See you in class.